guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine from Negestyle. Today I have a fabric inspired nail tutorial for y'all. As a fashion designer, I love print and I also love doing my nails. So isn't that dope to have like one of your nail matching out the pattern on your clothes? That's how I was inspired to come up with the fabric inspired nails, where I bring out the pattern of the print on the nail. So if you're interested in learning how to do this or watch me do these nails, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of these tutorials. Let's go straight to doing this now. Alright, we're gonna start with the base coat. I'm going to apply a thin layer of base coat on the nail, then I cure for 60 seconds. This is the pattern I'm going to be working with. That's an African print. Look at all those beautiful earth colors. So the first thing to do, I'm going to apply my nail polish. I said, of course it's a nail polish. I'm going to apply the off-white print. That's the background color. That's the first color I'm applying, and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. I'm going to come back and apply a second layer of this off-white nail polish, gel nail polish on the nail, and cure for another 60 seconds. After I cure for 60 seconds, it's time to do the designs. It's time to bring out my patterns. So I'm going to start with the red. I'm going to draw the first line of red and the half red on the end of the nails. I'm just going to make sure I have it well balanced. I don't want it to be clouding on one angle on the other side. I'm going to do the same thing on the top. Apply the red and start doing some of the designs. Then I cure for 60 seconds. So you have to go step after step. Always cure after applying a coat that does not interfere or overlays on another one, or else you're going to make a big mess. Cure for 60 seconds. After curing for 60 seconds, I'm gonna go in with my orange nail color. Always remember, after each application, dry under the lamp, because you don't want to mix up the colors, overlaying them without curing it. After curing, I'm trying to have some little dots, so I'm gonna go ahead with my toothpick to like do like very little dots. I'm going to do brown dots, black dots, and orange dots. So I'm going to do dots like you can see on the print of all the colors. There's like little dots of every color. So that's the the last step before I apply the black lines. So keep watching to the end. There's nothing much to say. It's very easy to understand when you watch the video. And now thank you for watching, and make sure you watch to the end. cure for 60 seconds, and this is the last step, the top coat, the shiny top coat, and I'm going to cure that for 90 to 100 seconds. Make sure it's really dry, and voila, that's the end. And that's how my nails came out, so pretty, exactly like the print. Thank you for watching, and I catch you on the next one.